The Court of Appeal ordered to submit to court information on the NIC and passport obtained by the presidential election candidate of the SLPP, Gotabaya Rajapaksa.
The Court of Appeal issued the order to the Minister and Secretary of Home Affairs, Controller General of Immigration and the Commissioner General for the Registration of Persons to immediately submit to court information on the NIC and passport obtained by SLPP presidential candidate Gotabaya Rajapaksa. Counsel appearing for Rajapaksa presented to court a dossier containing information on the client's citizenship, passport and NIC, and copies handed over to the Criminal Investigations Department. The Court of Appeal decided to consider the petition filed seeking a stay order on accepting Gotabaya Rajapaksa's Sri Lankan citizenship at 9:30 am on the 2nd of October. The petition was filed by Gamini Viyangoda and Professor Chandragupta Tenuwara. The petition was called up in the presence of Appeal Court President Justice Yasantha Kodagoda and Justice Arjunobe Sekara. The respondents named in the petition are the Controller General of Immigration and Immigration, Commissioner of the Department for Registration of Persons, Secretary to the Ministry of Home Affairs, Minister Vajirabe Wardana, Opposition Leader Mahinda Rajapaksa, SLPP Presidential Candidate Gotabaya Rajapaksa, the Acting Inspector General of Police and the Director of the Criminal Investigations Department. The petition states that based on the facts presented by Gotabaya Rajapaksa on renouncing his US citizenship, a Sri Lankan passport and NIC were issued. However, the documents to prove that he is a Sri Lankan citizen cannot be traced. The petition further notes that the Controller General of Immigration and Immigration and the Department for Registration of Persons issued a Sri Lankan passport and Sri Lankan NIC solely based on the facts presented on renouncing the US citizenship and claim it is an illegal move. The petitioners requested for an order to be issued to prevent Gotabaya Rajapaksa being accepted as a Sri Lankan citizen and further to issue an interim injunction from activating his NIC and passport issued to him until the petition is taken up for examination and an order is delivered.
Can a foreign citizen become the president of this country? This is the main issue. Still, the matter of being Sri Lankan or the foreign citizenship remains unresolved. It seems that renouncing foreign citizenship remains problematic. The constitution will be violated if a foreign national becomes the president of this country. According to the constitution, a dual citizen cannot become the president of this country.
This is the dual citizenship certificate that proves that he obtained Sri Lankan citizenship in 2015. An additional secretary has signed this on behalf of the Secretary of the Ministry on the 21st of November. Mahinda Rajapaksa, as the president of this country, has signed this certificate. Although the UNP says that nothing like this has happened, this is certified proof of losing US citizenship. The approval date has been marked as 3rd of May 2019. Gotabaya Rajapaksa is not a US citizen.
Gotabaya Rajapaksa මැතිතුමා ඇමරිකානු පුරවැසියෙක් නොවේ.
In the matter of obtaining citizenship, if he has not presented fraudulent documents, he has certainly used them in an illegal manner. He has used 2 identity cards and he has used his invalid identity card to obtain his rights to run for the election. The CID has probed into that. Information from that investigation has been presented before the court as a B report. I do not involve in these court cases to pull someone's leg and deprive them from the right of contesting the elections. Presidency is supreme. He is the leader of the state. It has to be a person with a valid identity card and a valid passport. It has to be cleared. It is a clearance that we expect from the court.
Following other views expressed by the presidential candidate of the SLPP, Gotabaya Rajapaksa, about the various views presented by various parties of his citizenship and his national identity card.
When I was asked to take office as the Secretary of Defence by then President Mahinda Rajapaksa in 2005, I applied for dual citizenship. Then Mahinda Rajapaksa, who was the subject minister at the time, handed me the certificate of the dual citizenship I obtained. The other thing is, there was no reason to obtain a fraudulent certificate at the time. President Mahinda Rajapaksa requested me to prepare for an upcoming election. Accepting that request, I took steps to renounce my US citizenship. Then I applied for a passport that was given to me in a legal manner. And in 2016, I applied for a new identity card and I received that as well. I have to say that this identity card and the passport was given to me by this government. I hope that a just decision will be reached regarding this.
දෙයක් මගේ මම මේ අවස්ථාවේ ප්‍රකාශ කරන්න කැමතියි.